This meditation has been created for those who are tired. Not just physically tired, but tired in a way that sleep alone can't always fix. If you've been giving too much, doing too much, carrying too much, this meditation is for you. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, wherever you feel most at ease. Let your hands rest gently at your sides or on your body. Allow your eyes to close. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nowhere you need to be. No one you need to take care of. This time is yours. Begin by taking a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for just a moment and release it fully through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly, gathering the weight of the day, and breathe out. Let it go. With every exhale, feel yourself becoming heavier, more settled, more still. Let your body sink into whatever is beneath you. Let it be held. Let it be supported. You do not have to hold yourself together right now. You are allowed to rest. Bring your gentle awareness to your shoulders. Notice if they are carrying tension, and without forcing anything, simply invite them to drop. Now your jaw. Let it soften. Let it unclench. Your hands, let them open slightly, releasing whatever they've been gripping. Your chest, if it feels tight or heavy, acknowledge it with kindness. Quietly say to yourself, I have worked hard. I have given much, and now I am allowed to receive. Now I want you to imagine that you're walking along a quiet path. The air is cool and clean. The sky above you is a deep, soft blue. On either side of you, tall trees stand in peaceful silence, their roots deep in the earth, their branches reaching high. They have been here for hundreds of years. They are not tired. They simply are. And as you walk, you begin to feel the ground beneath your feet change. The path gives way to soft moss, lush and deep green. Ahead of you, nestled between the roots of the oldest tree, you notice something glowing. A small spring, a pool of water so still it looks like liquid light. You move toward it, kneel beside it. The water is warm, not hot, perfectly warm. pulses with a gentle golden light from somewhere deep within. This is not ordinary water. This is energy, pure, restored, yours. You cup your hands and bring the water gently to your face. The moment it touches your skin, you feel it. A warmth spreading from your face down through your neck into your chest and shoulders. It moves through you like sunlight through glass. Every hollow, exhausted place inside you begins to fill, slowly, gently, without effort. You do not have to earn this. You do not have to be productive enough, strong enough, or good enough to receive it. You only have to be here, and you are here. Let these words move through you now. You do not have to believe them fully. Simply allow them. I give myself permission to stop. My worth is not measured by what I produce. I am allowed to be tired. Rest is not a reward. It is a right. I am reclaiming my energy now. I choose myself. Stay here a little longer beside this spring. Let the warmth continue to move through you. Let it find every tired corner of your body and fill it with light. You can return to this place whenever you need. It will always be here because it lives inside you. And when you're ready, begin to bring your awareness slowly back. Notice the surface beneath you. Notice the air around you. Take one deep breath in and let it go fully. You have done something important today. You have chosen yourself. You are not who you were when you began. You're a little more rested, a little more restored, a little more whole. Rest now. You've earned it. Until next time, return to still.